One of the most frequently asked questions has been about submitting work, especially work that you have to take a picture of to turn in. So this video is to help you know how to do this. The best option that I've found for submitting pictures of your work is to add Google Classroom to your phones and sign in. When you sign in, you'll see a list of all of your classes. You're going to click on the class that you want to turn in work. And then at the bottom, you'll notice it says classwork. You're going to click on classwork. And then you're going to find the lesson that you want to turn in. So say I want to turn in written practice. And see the arrow, the big arrow down at the bottom where it says your work? You're going to click on that arrow. And then you have the option of adding attachment or mark as done. Well, this one you want to add an attachment to. And I gave you the Google form to turn it in on, but I'm going to change that. I want you just to go ahead and add attachment to your assignment. And the way you do that is you click add attachment. And it's going to give you all kinds of options, but I'm going to choose to use my camera because that way you don't have to do any extra steps. So if you click use camera, it'll bring up your camera. And now you can take a picture of your assignment. Now, I highly recommend that you actually stand up to do this and so that you can see what you're actually taking a picture of and that you get the whole page. I've noticed some people that are turning these in and they're cutting off the bottom of the page, and so I can't see that. So make sure that you get the whole page so that I can see all of your work, because you want credit for all the work you're doing, not everything except for the bottom or the top of your page. So once you have it lined up and you can see the whole page, you're going to click to take a picture. And then you'll click at the bottom, it says use photo, and it's going to load that photo. And while it's doing that, put your next page up. And while it's processing, you're going to add another attachment. So just click add attachment again, and then use the camera. And you're going to line it up. Make sure you're showing the whole page. That's important. And then again, use photo. Now say it takes a really blurry or bad picture and you're like, I hate that picture. You can hit retake. So if you hit retake, it gives you the option to do it again. And so you just line it up just a little bit better. Make sure that the whole page got taken and then click use photo. And you'll notice that it's processing, and you just kind of have to wait patiently for it to process. And you're going to do this for every page of your homework. And so I want to see everything. So be patient, it will load. It's kind of slow, but it still works. So, just take a deep breath. And it takes a minute for it to actually show up on the screen. You might even click the down arrow. Oh, there it is. And then you're going to, after all of your pages are loaded up, you're going to click turn in. Now I've noticed that a lot of you are forgetting to turn in your work. So make sure that you're doing this for every assignment. Once it's actually turned in, there will be a note that comes up at the bottom. It says assignment turned in. Now say you turn it in and then you realize, oh wait, I forgot to take a picture of something else. You can click unsubmit, and then you can turn in another page if you need to. So don't freak out. Don't feel like it's the end and you can't turn anything else in. Once you hit submit, you can. So just be patient with yourself. It's still a learning process. And, if you have any questions, make sure you ask.